I'm Ria and today I bring to you this Samsung Galaxy A12, a product launched in December 2021 and since then has found a big market in India. But is it worth buying?
As per 22nd August 2022, the price of Samsung Galaxy A12 in India started from 11,990. Those who claim slow performance should definitely run latest upgrades and check the configuration. Youth and middle ages who have greater exposure to gaming should refrain from buying the set because the configuration is definitely not for gaming. Otherwise, the set is extremely reliable. I would recommend professionals who have long working hours but can do with basic features can definitely go for this set. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video.